Hello everybody, I am the Craftacular creator and today I am showing a process video for a birthday card and there is not a critter in sight. You could also say that this card is more on the masculine side than my previous creations. In this video I will ink blend background, share how I attach vellum to a card without showing any glue and add many die cut paper clips. Before I begin I would like to ask you to get clicky for Vicki. This is my own catchy way of asking you to like, share, comment and subscribe. I got a bit excited to make this card and so I went straight into ink blending. All supplies used will be mentioned throughout the video and listed in the description below. I start ink blending with Distress Oxide black soot around the edges and then I use hickory smoke towards the middle. I switch between the two to get a blend of some description. I take out my splatter box and flick water over the panel to give it that cool distressed look. I stamp the image of a typewriter from Lawnfawn, You're Just My Type, and also the sentiment saying Just a Note to Say from Love Poems. I use Nina Classic Crest £80 cardstock and Memento Tuxedo black ink. I want a bold pop of colour on my card so I go with red. The Copic caps can be seen on the screen. I lay out the card design to get an idea of how I want it to look. I use vellum for my sentiment panel so that my ink blended background still shows through. Vellum is a great medium to use, however, attaching it to a card panel can sometimes pose a problem. I overcome this by cutting a strip wider than my 5.5 inch card base, make tick marks where the card panel ends. I then use a scoreboard to score lines at these marks and fold the vellum. Then I fold this around the card panel. I flip the panel over and use liquid glue to attach the vellum to the back. I use Lawnfawn Louise alphabet dies to die cut the word hi out of black cardstock. I thought that this looked the most like a typewriter lettering. I attached this to the vellum strip using liquid glue. Then I add foam pads to the typewriter and attach this to the card. Off screen I die cut some paper clips from a die set I had purchased some time ago and did not keep the packaging for. I placed these in a random scattered way across the card. Does anyone else find randomly scattering embellishments difficult? It still seems so planned out. Maybe next time I will just drop them on and glue them where they land. No, I'm a little too type A for that. I stamped the little clack clack ding across the vellum for extra detail. I also add yet more die cut paper clips, still striving for the organised randomness of the arrangement. I think I forgot to mention that I attached the paper clips with liquid glue. It's a little difficult as they are quite fiddly, but I was invested by this point. Finally, I flip the card over and trim off the overhanging paper clips. There you go, the finished card. I have it on good authority from my husband that this is a good masculine card. This card was inspired by episode 213 of Craft Roulette. The parameters can be seen on the screen. A high greeting, Robust colours, grey with a pop of red, a typewriter in the workplace, and ink blending, vellum, Copic colouring and die cuts combined make a mixed media card. With mention of craft roulette and parameters, I have included a slide of what it is all about, and I hope, if you haven't already, subscribe to Craft Roulette on YouTube. It's so much fun. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to get clicky for Vicky. It would mean the world to me. Ta-ta for now everyone, take care and I'll be back soon.